let me show you what I got for my hand knit and crocheted hats. Aren't they so cute? And all these fun colors. They have a loop, so you can put a button inside your hat and then you can loop it through that. And I'll show you how I did it here. I'll go inside the hat and I will sew my button on the top of the inside of the hat. Here's my needle. This way you can remove the pom-pom when you want to wash the hat. I'll go to the right side of the hat and we'll find the loop of my pom-pom, and with the help of a crochet hook I'll just pull the loop, which will make it much easier. So I found the middle of my hat, and then I'll get the loop from here just like this, and I'll pull it inside there, and now it will go around the bottom. You can even go twice. The loop is quite stretchy. So here how it looks. I went around the bottom 2 times, and there, it's very sturdy. The elastic is good of the pom-pom, and it looks so cute. Look at my hat. All right, and it's pretty sturdy inside as well. There, and you can change those pom-poms to the colors of your hat you have. How cute is this one? Oh my gosh. So every handmade hat needs a pom-pom.